Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of TEACHWELL. TEACHWELL is a one-stop solution for all your career-related problems, and today we have a good news for all the law aspiring students. TEACHWELL is launching a CLAT 2023 crash course. So all the students who are pursuing law, this crash course is for all of you. As we know, according to NLU's official website, CLAT 2023 examination would only be conducted in December and not in May. But don't worry, today we have Advocate Ayushi Arora with us, who is going to mentor you in your CLAT 2023 journey. So let's not wait anymore and welcome ma'am. So ma'am, as we know, examinations are so near. So is it possible for a student to clear CLAT in 30 to 35 days?
You can try. I cannot give 100% assurance that he can do it or not. But a student can definitely try, and if a student will have 100% focus and he have a proper plan and study material, then why not? He can clear CLAT in 30 to 35 days. It's not that tough.
Okay ma'am. And ma'am, what is the examination pattern and basic strategy a student should adopt now?
As far as examination pattern is concerned, your CLAT exam is divided into 5 sections, which is your English, your GK, your legal reasoning, your logical reasoning, and your quants. अगर अब मैं बोलूँ कि if a student wants to clear a CLAT in 30 to 35 days, so अब उसका जो focus होना चाहिए वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ उन topics पे होना चाहिए जो most expected हैं. It is 100% sure that वो वाले topics आते ही आते हैं. If we see in English जो आपको questions आते हैं वो आते हैं reading comprehension से. Reading comprehension is such that कि हम 12th तक अभी तक सब बच्चे करते हैं. But difficulty level obviously आपका 12th जैसा नहीं होगा, उससे एक level ऊपर ही होता है. So they basically ask कि what can a student infer from the passage, or what is the main idea of the passage. So these are some type of questions. So the student need to practice the reading comprehension part. Then coming to your legal reasoning. Legal reasoning में जो topics हैं, जो main law के topics हैं, that is your law of torts, your law of contracts, criminal law, and your constitutional law. So जो students हैं, they should have a basic understanding of all these laws. So students can watch video lectures आप देख सकते हैं. And as far as these video lectures are concerned, in our TEACHWELL app, we do provide our students with all these videos जहाँ पे ये सारे topics हम cover कर चुके हैं. So students can actually watch them and have the basic understanding. Then if I talk about GK अब since ये December में हो रहा है CLAT, तो इस साल पूरे साल का जितने भी legal और general news है उनको कुछ ना कुछ idea होना चाहिए. And I think The Hindu and the Indian Express, these are the 2 newspapers that I suggest जो बच्चों को पढ़ना चाहिए. Quants की है तो quants basically आपका एक elementary maths आता है जो बच्चा 10th तक पढ़ता है, plus आपका data interpretation. So that comes under your quants. Logical reasoning जो है, logical reasoning में basically आपका सिर्फ critical reasoning आता है, आपका कोई analytical reasoning नहीं आता CLAT के एग्जाम में. तो उसमें assumptions, conclusions, इस टाइप के questions आपसे पूछे जाते हैं. So yes, इस टाइप पे I would only suggest the students कि जो सारे important topics हैं जो most expected हैं एग्जाम में, सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसी को cover करें, उसी पे focus करें.
Ma'am, will students be provided with mock test?
Yes, students will be provided with regular mock test because इस time पे जो main importance है बच्चों के लिए वो यही है कि they should practice जितने भी ज़्यादा mock test हो सके उतने ज़्यादा they should practice it. So in TEACHWELL we do give access to our store. app में एक store है. We give them that access जहाँ पे they actually get 20-25 mock tests, sectional tests, assignments, video lectures. So ये सब चीजें उन्हें एक platform पे मिल जाती हैं.
Thank you, ma'am. So students, don't worry. Join the crash course of CLAT 2023 with TEACHWELL and start your law journey with us. As we all know क्या होता है. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
Examination pattern of CLAT.
There will be
So ma'am, as we know,
more.